There are many ways of trying to help preserve the nature, and we have chosen the engineering way. So let me introduce you to the Soil Scout. What it is, it's the world's first underground wireless weather station, or weather sensor. It's measuring temperature, humidity, salinity, and then periodically, using public frequencies, it will transmit through the soil, through the air, the data to an uplink, and then onwards to the cloud for subsequent analytics. What makes it really unique is that it's the first one which is truly buried. We can set it up half a meter into the soil, a full meter into the soil, and it will transmit from there. Now, why is that relevant? Because we want to be at the root level of the plants. It doesn't help us if we measure on the top of the soil. We have to measure where the roots are, where the moisture counts. The second unique thing about this is that this device will actually work for 10 years unattended, sending data once a minute up to the cloud. Why does it exist commercially? Because most of the food is being agricultured with irrigation, and they're over-irrigating. And by owning this, the farmer can save 20% of water to prevent it from over-irrigating. We can also prevent mold from developing into the houses. We have filed for 2 international technology patents on this one for the power management, one for the RF technology. We do plan on charging money for this. We're not counting on advertisers giving us money. We expect the clients to happily pay what we're charging for this because the utility value that they get from owning a Scout will far supersede what the price is. Our business models include manufacturing and distributing this ourselves, or we can go through a distributor, a big company that has synergetic products with us and who would be willing to take this as an add-on product for their portfolio. Or we have the ability to license this technology to a third party. The estimated size for the farming wireless sensors is estimated to be $3 billion by 2016, and we expect to have a part of it. Thank you.
So, what's the installation cost? How many sensors do you need for what area?
It depends on the soil, but typically for a 50-hectare farm, you would want to get 5 of these, an uplink, and then the cloud services, and the cost of such a system is 2,000 euros. But you have to realize that the life expectancy of this is 10 years.
And how much better is it compared to competing sensors that are measuring towards the surface? Like if you're saying you can get 20% less in water expense, what do your competitors promise?
Okay, the competitors will promise the same 20%. That's not the difference. The problem is that the people that are above the ground, you cannot cultivate the land. You cannot disturb it. Since we're below the plowing level, these units will be undisturbed. The farmers don't want to have anything sticking above the ground because they're going to have to go around it with the tractor, and that's a no-go.